My name is Michael Jones, and I'm the owner of Ganache Dessert Bar. When I was preparing and looking for a culinary school, I wanted to find something that kind of did the French method because they're the founders of pastry. And what really interested me in Culinary Lenotre was all the different experience from both not only the academic teachers as well as the chef teachers. The Lenotre name is legendary within France and the pastry world, and so that really struck me as a key reason to come here. It's a very comprehensive program. They really have it laid out so that you learn a little bit of everything in a very accelerated manner so that you spend more time in the labs and actually get to practice what they're teaching you in the bookwork as well. It was great for my career. I was able right out of school, even before I graduated, to land a really good job as soon as I left Culinary Lenotre, where I got to really practice my skills and prepare myself for opening my own business. And I don't think I could have done that without having the Lenotre name on my resume.